Hey there! My name is Teacher Juna Rose, and I am a licensed professional teacher here in the Philippines. I have been teaching in public school, in elementary to high school, for almost a year as a volunteer teacher. And I do also an English class tutorial as my part-time job. What I love about kids is that they are lovely and jolly. I am so much blessed and honored to share and impart learnings and knowledge to my students. As a teacher, I can dance, I can act, and I can sing to make my lesson interesting, informative, and interactive. I hope that with my skills and knowledge, I would be able to teach in your school, and it would be a great opportunity for me to be part of your school community. Bye bye.